at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking. But you, I know it, you know it. We make it.
What is up? DCS is right back again with another cool car. This time it's the Hot Wheels. It's the 17 Audi RS6 Avant, guys. This beautiful, magnificent car. I can't wait to take this out of the box right now. So, yup, why, you guys know the drill. First the unboxing, then we look at the car, and then we'll go for the information. Apart from that, guys, I have a poll coming up right on the screen. It'll be popping up right now. You just have to tell yes or no. I just want to make a kind of a track sets video, a Hot Wheels track set video, the race between the company cars and the other company cars. Like, should I make those kinds of videos? It's your decision. You just have to put yes or no, because it's kind of gonna be like kind of interesting. So yup, you can just suggest your answer, the poll. So yup, guys, let's go for the unboxing. Oh, wow, guys, look at this car. It's such an awesome car. Like, the detailing done by the Hot Wheels is very, very appreciable. Like, wow, the rear lights too, and even the Audi symbol. This is seriously good, guys. Like, actually, this car is seriously detailed very well. They have done a lot of detailing at the front, like the Quattro badge and all those, the number plate with the RS6 written on it. Wow, this car is some serious awesome car. Wow, guys, this car is purely detailed. It's really nice. So, yup, it also has a sunroof. Whoa, cool. So, yup, guys, as we have taken a look on the car right now, why don't we go for the information of this? So, yup, here it comes. Okay, guys, so starting off with the information about this car, the Audi RS. The production actually began in 2002. Well, the body style is 5-door estate, which is seriously long. And talking about the engine, guys, the engine is actually all-wheel drive 4-liter twin turbocharged V8, which is seriously powerful. Coming up to the transmission, guys, the transmission is actually a Tiptronics automatic. Oh, here the hard brakes. It should have been a manual, but it's an automatic. We can't help it. So, yep, guys, coming up to the best part, that's the top speed. The top speed of this car is 250 kilometers per hour. Not bad. It's 155.3 miles per hour. It's kind of good. Well, coming up to the horsepower, guys, it's 560 horsepower. Talking about the acceleration time is 0-60. It does it in 3.9 seconds, which is fast, real fast. Yup, guys, coming up to the length of this car, the length of this car is 4,979 in millimeters. Talking about the width of this car, the width of this car is 2,086 in millimeters, guys. Here, the major people, price. The price of this car is $92,000, which is seriously some money out there. So, yup, this estate cars contains a lot because it's an Audi. So, yup, guys, why don't we go for the special facts about this Audi RS Avant? So, here it is. Okay, so here it tells that by adding the Dynamic Plus package, the car's top speed will increase by 189 miles per hour. That's almost like top speeds of some supercars too, which is seriously fast for an estate. Wow, guys, this car can go up to 305 kilometers per hour. Seriously surprising. So yep, guys, as I've ended all the informations for this beautiful car right here, just send down in the comments below, should I make the track sets video or not? And you can also answer to the poll. So yep, guys, I'll see you all next week with another brand new Hot Wheel. So yep, guys, ta-ta, bye-bye, stay tuned to my channel, and do me one small favor, just hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and share it to all your friends and family. Bye!